everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the January 2025 Hip Kits. Today I create a layout using some of my favorite products from the January 2025 Hip Kits. I start with the background of my layout, therefore I use the stencil which is included in the January color kit. I place it on my cardstock and secure it with tape to keep it in place. Then I apply pink, yellow and light blue ink with blending brushes. I start with pink, then yellow and finally light blue. Then I take off the tape and the stencil . And here's the finished background. I cut the linked hearts background from white cardstock and color it with the blue Lindy Stamp Gang Magical powder. I mix the powder with water and apply it with a paintbrush. The magical powders are also included in the January color kit. When the hearts background is dry, I place it on my page together with my photo and one of the double-sided mini envelope die cuts which are included in the January Embellishment Kit. I also add one of the cardstock frame die cuts and some of the cardstock ephemera. I adhere everything and add another envelope to the upper left corner of my layout background, combined with some floral die cuts. continue embellishing the layout with one of the embossed Wax Seal puffy stickers, which you can find in the January main kit. Now I pierce holes and add some hand stitching. I add my title, which is a combination of the puffy alphabet stickers and a die cut from the cardstock ephemera pack, both included in the January main kit. I also add one of the foam and cardstock phrase and shape stickers, also from the January main kit, and some puffy stickers, which you can find in the January embellishment kit. I finish with some of the glitter epoxy stickers, also from the January embellishment kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.